Ethereum value equivalent to 29,343 rands a coin. The present cost range: 29,239, 29,912. The earlier day close: 29,652. The change was 309, 1.04%. Converse rate: ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, September 26. Cost 29,113 rands, high 31,151, low 27,075. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, September 27. Cost 29,314 rands, high 31,366, low 27,262. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, September 28. Cost 29,337 rands, high 31,391, low 27,283. Ethereum estimate on Friday, September 29. Cost 28,532 rands, high 30,529, low 26,535. And multi-week Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, October 2. Cost 28,151 rands, high 30,122, low 26,180. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, October 3. Cost 28,235 rands, high 30,211, low 26,259. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, October 4. Cost 28,822 rands, high 30,840, low 26,804. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, October 5. Cost 28,442 rands, high 30,433, low 26,451. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, October 6. Cost 28,360 rands, high 30,345, low 26,375. In about 14 days Ethereum estimate on Monday, October 9. Cost 28,179 rands, high 30,152, low 26,206. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, October 10. Cost 28,542 rands, high 30,540, low 26,544. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, October 11. Cost 28,731 rands, high 30,742, low 26,720. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, October 12. Cost 29,525 rands, high 31,592, low 27,458. Ethereum estimate on Friday, October 13. Cost 28,464 rands, high 30,456, low 26,472. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, October 16. Cost 28,603 rands, high 30,605, low 26,601. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, October 17. Cost 28,463 rands, high 30,455, low 26,471. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, October 18. Cost 28,621 rands, high 30,624, low 26,618. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, October 19. Cost 29,150 rands, high 31,191, low 27,110. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, October 20. Cost 28,937 rands, high 30,963, low 26,911. In about a month Ethereum estimate on Monday, October 23. Cost 28,985 rands, high 31,014, low 26,956. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, October 24. Cost 28,618 rands, high 30,621, low 26,615. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, October 25. Cost 29,109 rands, high 31,147, low 27,071. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset cost at 23,519 rands. Excessive cost 24,707, while low cost 21,475. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 23,198. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 23,091, change for January 1. At the outset cost at 23,091 rands. Excessive cost 26,697, while low cost 23,091. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 24,457. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 24,950, change for February 8.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at 24,950 rands. Excessive cost 28,180, while low cost 24,492. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 25,990. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 26,336, change for spring 5.6%. Ethereum gauge for April 2024. In the first place cost at 26,336 rands. Exorbitant cost 31,085, while low cost 26,336. The found the middle value of cost 28,202. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 29,051, change for April 10.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. To start with cost at 29,051 rands. Exorbitant cost 33,119, while low cost 28,785. The found the middle value of cost 30,477. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 30,952, change for May 6.5%. Ethereum estimate for June 2024. First and foremost cost at 30,952 rands. Exorbitant cost 38,417, while low cost 30,952. The found the middle value of cost 34,056. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 35,904, change for June 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at 35,904 rands. Exorbitant cost 35,904, while low cost 30,537. The found the middle value of cost 33,795. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 32,835, change for July 8.5%. Ethereum estimate for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 32,835 rands. Exorbitant cost 35,695, while low cost 31,025. The found the middle value of cost 33,229. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 33,360, change for August 1.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. Before